Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Gargi. Today I'll be creating this easy glam makeup combo of golden eyeshadow with red lipstick. You know it's universal. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel. Let's get started with the video. For the lips, I'm using the Natural Wash Beetroot Lip Balm, and then for the eyes, Biotique Eye Cream. Now I'm using Lotus sunscreen. It will give you a pink glow at the end and you will feel so much hydrated. It's not greasy at all. And now it's the time for my holy grail product, that is Vaseline Daily Moisturizer. I will totally recommend it to you क्योंकि इतने affordable है and you will get a big tub for this price. So go for it. Now to hide my dark circles and the pigmentation, using this Stellary Concealer palette. It's very affordable, बहुत अच्छा है, pigment भी बहुत अच्छी है and creamy भी है. And for the foundation, I'm using these two foundations, one from Maybelline and second one is from In Color. Shades will be mentioned in the description box with all the links, so do check that out. I'm blending this foundation very nicely. दोनों बहुत अच्छे foundation है, बट इन कलर वाले की पिगमेंटेशन बहुत कम है, तो मैं नहीं सजेस्ट करूँगी कि आप वो लो. Maybelline one is medium to buildable coverage. Now to highlight my face, I'll be using this In Color stick. ये बहुत अच्छी है, जैसे इसका फाउंडेशन था उसके जैसे नहीं है. It's pretty pigmented and creamy. And to set my base, I'm using that Lakme Radiance Compact. जहाँ जहाँ मुझे oily feel होता है, like my T-zone, I have a combination skin, तो मैं वहाँ set कर लूँगी. And then for the blush, I'll be using this palette from My Glam Pop XO Edition. बहुत ही बढ़िया पैलेट है, बट जो हाइलाइटर है वो मेरी स्किन टोन पे नहीं जाएगा. डस्की स्किन टोन और जो मीडियम स्किन टोन होते हैं उस पे चला जाएगा, उनके लिए बहुत सुंदर हाइलाइटर है. तो आई विल बी टेकिंग a brown shade from that Huda Beauty palette. It's a dupe, not that original one. And then I'll be using this Hilary Rodas palette, taking that beautiful golden shade, applying it all over my lid. And for the eyeliner, I've used Faces Canada eyeliner. For the lower waterline, I'll be using that Maybelline Colossal Kajal, highly pigmented. And this is my favorite lipstick. Means सारी माई ग्लैम की लिपस्टिक्स बहुत फेवरेट है मेरी. I'll share the haul very soon. The shade number of this lipstick is Super Swipe and it's a bright red color, proper matte. And now we'll highlight the high points of my face. Looking at me like summer skies, losing myself deep in your style when I'll be using this MAC Fix Plus in the shade Pink Light. Very beautiful spray. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.